Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to disable automatic driver downloads on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to disable automatic driver downloads on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start, type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. That is, after click on System. After click on Advanced System Settings. After click on Hardware. Click on Device Installation Settings. After click on No, your device might not work as expected. That is, after click on Save Change. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable automatic driver downloads on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.